guys, it's Abby. So today I tried to film a cool look and there was a lot of failing, lots of problems, but this is what I came up with in the end, and if you want to see how I did it, keep watching. That's it. Alrighty then. So I'm just going to start off by priming my face. So I've got two primers here. I've got Baby Skin and the Facefinity one. This one. Let's do this. Wow. There's like nothing in here. Come on. Okay, I'm just going to use both. How about that? So, right now I'm making a YouTube video. That's pretty cool, right? Right? I do like this primer. I didn't like it and now I do. My opinion has changed on it. I don't really know why. So, I didn't post a video last week because I was ill, always ill, and I didn't want to be like just me in front of the camera like which I kind of am today, but I still thought I would film because I need to. I want to be doing this YouTube thing. Right, so I'm going to start with like my eyebrows and my eyes first. I'm trying like to do an eyeliner, and if I ruin the eyeliner and I've done a full face, I'm going to be very bad. It's snowing. Brush my eyebrows. Also, I just got out of the shower, so my hair is wet. My aim for this look is really full coverage, everything, bam, wags. I don't think I've done anything like that really. Everything I've done is all like natural. So I thought I would go all out. So this is the Freedom pomade in the shade Ash Brown. I really like it. I've stopped using it for a while because some people hate the way it makes my eyebrows look. Sometimes I agree, they do go a bit thick when I use this. Also, I've got like a mirror here because I can't see anything. Oh, I've got a little line going on. Made a little outline. Start brushing. Baby, I apologize. Okay, I think I'm going to try and finish this off camera, and I'll see you when my eyebrows are done. Ready? Oh my god, she got blocks on her face. Me trying to do brows. They're big and I know, so please don't hate on me in the comments. Oh yeah, eyes. Oh my god, I'm excited, but I'm also scared because if I ruin it, oh golly gee, what will I do? I'm gonna zoom in. So I'm actually today going to be using this palette by Urban Decay. It's the Full Spectrum palette. It's got lots of colours in it. I'm going to be using this because I'm going for a very plain look. Like still, if you know. Just going to dot that on my eyes and then taking a little sponge. Let's hope this works. I haven't actually used this before. My skin is really bad, so if you can see how like dry it is and stuff, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry about that. For like the main part of the eyeshadow, I'm just going to use bronzer. And I'm just going to put that in my crease because I don't really want anything on the eyes. I literally just want the eyeliner and the glitter. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this in my crease. And I have like a bit here that never blends, like on my eye, like a patch around there. Now you know more about me. Oh my god, is it time for eyeliner? Right, so the camera just ran out of space, so I just had to do a quick little memory card swap, but basically all I did was put silver here and here from the Urban Decay palette, and then used the Sleek Solstice highlighting palette, and then I just kind of put a bit more on. Oh, I keep dropping things. And we're going to move on to the eyeliner. I'm scared. I don't even know if I can do this. Like, we're just going to have to hope and pray. Everyone pray. Praying to the eyeliner gods, help me and do this eyeliner. Thank you. God. Okay. With my eyes fixed. I'm ruining it. This is going terrible. What is this? What is it? What is it? I can't carry on. What have I done? What have I done? Okay. I need a makeup wipe. Maybe I can fix it. I used to be so good at eyeliner. I stopped doing it for ages. And now I suck. What have I done? It will look good if I just close my eyes, right? It's thick. It's thick. 2 seeds. What have I done now? What have I done? Should I just start again? Should I just wipe this whole eyeliner off? I'm doing it now. Let's stop it. Do this side again. And y'all think I can do makeup. Okay, no talking. I ruined it again. Not what I want. This is not what I planned. And I just gotta say, I do not understand. I'm gonna restart this with no eyeliner. I've done my eyeshadow and now I'm gonna take things in a different direction because that was a fail. Rip that video idea. Here's another one. I'm the worst beauty person on YouTube. Name's Charles, making tutorials. Oh, shook. This glitter that I brought up earlier, I'm gonna use it now to try and save this, and I'm gonna put it everywhere. I just had a really cool thing. I was like really excited because I was gonna have like fancy eyeliner, like, and then I was gonna have like the glitter with a fancy intro and like that's fine. We can deal with that. This is what we're dealing with today. So when you next see me, I'll have eyelashes on. Oh my god, does this make things better? Now we're gonna do foundation, and I'm also really bad at everything. Facefinity foundation in the shade page 55, and it's too dark for me. This one to make everything light again, and I also think I'm gonna take some Dermacol to be extra. I'm gonna take a foundation brush because I like these better. I got the good side. The good side. No, I didn't. I got the bad side, Troy. He's hiding on my nose. Nice. Nice. So I just put my contact lenses in while I was waiting for my camera to charge, but we can finally finish this. To finally use this, so my good friend India kindly got me for Christmas. I feel like I'm gonna ruin this too because my hands are shaking. Gonna look like Miranda Sings now. So I guess that's the finish line. Let's do one of those cool beauty guru things. Okay, so this is the finished look. That was an interesting video. So yeah. I hope you enjoyed it. You're gonna put on a wig now. How cool. I'm gonna put on a wig. Do you want to see me put on a wig? I'm gonna put on a wig. This is so fun. Oh, it's beaut. Makes me feel hella swaggy. So now I'm gonna go take some pics in this. But that's it for my video. Thank you for watching. Bye. A big kiss for you.